see forever when I look in your eyes. Always wanted to be mine. Let's make a promise till the end of time. Always be together. Our love will never die. So we'll be face to face and heart to heart. But you know, I believe that wishes can come true. 'Cause I see my whole world, see only you. When I look to your eyes, I can see how much I love you, and it makes me realize. When I look into your eyes.
Hi, May. Kay Mansari. I just want to say thank you. Thank you kasi binigyan mo ako ng chance para mahalin ka. Especially, you love me in return. Ang dami unexpected things sa ating dalawa. Lalo na yun tayo. The way na iparamdam natin yung isa't isa. Hindi sapat yung salitang masaya para masabi ko kung ano yung nararamdaman ko nung nasa akin ka na. I know marami pa tayong trials and problemang pagdadaanan, but I will do everything just to stick with this relationship. Magkasama natin yung haharapin, like what you've said, walang susuko. I don't want to promise anything. I don't want to promise forever. I'll just do my best para sa'yo, kay Raiki, sa relasyon nating dalawa. Kahit ano, sino pa man yung madlang sa ating dalawa, tutulman silang lahat. I'll fight for you. Ikaw at ako to tayong dalawa lang. No matter what happen, I won't give up on us. Kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, hindi ako titingin sa iba. I will always be faithful to you. Promise. Salamat kasi naging best friend, girlfriend, and best ever wife ka sa akin. You're my everything. You mean so much to me. Again, happy Mansari. I love you.